Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to redeem your Tesco Club Card vouchers both in store and online. First, in store, if you have the Tesco Grocery and Club Card app, just open it, go to your vouchers, and scan the barcode at the tail. If you've got a paper voucher, simply bring it with you and hand it to the cashier to scan. Next, online at tesco.com. Do your grocery shop as normal. At the checkout summary page, look for the section to enter voucher codes. Type in the 12-digit code from your voucher without spaces, or simply select it directly from your Tesco e-wallet. Next, reward partner redemption. If you want to use your vouchers with a partner like Tesco Mobile, Cineworld, or Hotels.com, first go to the Tesco Club Card website or app. Choose the amount you want to convert and you'll get a partner code by email or in the app. Then just apply that code on the partner's checkout page. Important tips: vouchers are valid for 2 years, and they can't be used on things like baby milk, lottery, or some gift cards. And that's it. That's how to redeem your Tesco Club Card vouchers. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.